How to use NFC on iPhone. Let's get started. Apple has extended the near-field communication NFC capabilities on iPhones, allowing for more versatile interactions. Here's how to utilize NFC on your iPhone running iOS 18. You can launch your control center, swipe down from the right corner of your screen, click on this plus icon, click on Add a Control option. Now search for NFC and then click on it to activate it. Click on Scan. Hold the top area of your iPhone near the NFC tag. A notification will appear. Tap it to access the tag's content. If the NFC icon is not in your control center, you can navigate to your Shortcuts app. Head over to the Automation section, click on New Automation. In the search box, type in NFC. After it appears, click on it and click on Scan. To write information to NFC tags, you will need a third-party app. Download an NFC writing app, search for reliable apps like NFC Tools on the App Store, open the app and follow the instructions to program your NFC tag. So this way you are able to use NFC on iPhone with iOS 18. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.